In Italy, pasta isn't just a dish. It's a craft, an emotion, and in many homes, a birthright. From the rhythm of hands shaping dough to the sound of bubbling sauces echoing through family kitchens, pasta carries centuries of stories in every fold and every strand. Italy doesn't just make pasta, it feels pasta. Welcome to Plates of the Planet, and this is Pasta Passion, Italy's edible art. Long before pasta became a symbol of Italian identity, it began as one of humanity's simplest inventions: flour and water, transformed through patience. Some say it traveled through trade routes. Others say Italy shaped it from scratch. But what matters is how Italians made it their own. Across the country, pasta evolved not through rules, but through landscapes, rugged mountains, golden wheat fields, coastal villages. Each region shaping its own version, each shape designed for a purpose, each bite carrying the geography of its home. Italian pasta is not born from machines. It is born from hands. Skilled hands knead dough until it becomes elastic and alive. Fingers roll orecchiette in Puglia. Grandmothers pinch tortellini in Emilia-Romagna. Long strands of spaghetti are stretched through techniques passed down like family secrets. The beauty of pasta is not in its complexity, but in its simplicity. Just two ingredients, transformed by touch, tradition, and time. And then comes the sauce, not poured on top, but fused into the pasta like a partnership. In Italy, sauce isn't just flavor, it's personality. Tomato sauces simmer slowly, garlic whispers, basil releases its fragrance, and olive oil carries the warmth of Mediterranean sun. Carbonara isn't creamy, it's silky eggs and pecorino. Pesto isn't just herbs, it's Ligurian identity crushed into life. Pasta shapes and sauces are like conversations, some meant to cling, some meant to cradle, some meant to swirl. Pasta has traveled far beyond Italy, taking on new forms, new cultures, new interpretations. Yet wherever it goes, it carries the essence of its birthplace: simplicity, heart, and the belief that food is meant to bring people together. In every forkful, there is a memory of Italy's kitchens, a whisper of tradition, and a celebration of how something so humble can become something so universal. Pasta is not just food. It is Italy's edible art, a timeless craft shaped by hands, perfected by families, and loved by the world. Every strand, every swirl, every bite tells a story, not of chefs, but of people. And this is why pasta will always deserve a place at the world's table. Subscribe to Plates of the Planet. More global food stories are waiting to be told.